To view this machine's preventative maintenance feature, select Menu, Maintenance, and Tasks. This will show you a list of all of the Pearson recommended preventative maintenance tasks. With proper login, you can turn these on or off and adjust the schedule. Within this preventative maintenance tool, we have given the operator the ability to add their own maintenance task. This could be an exit conveyor or any other maintenance tasks you wish them to perform. To view the list of due maintenance tasks, first press Menu, then select Maintenance, then select Due. Here is a table that tells you when a maintenance task was triggered. Once this task has been completed, the operator can press the Complete button. Once a required maintenance task has been completed, we can view the history by selecting Menu, History. Once you are viewing the maintenance history table, you can see when that task was triggered and when it was completed.